What's up? Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm servicing a Troy Bilt Z-Star 6.75 horsepower Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. I'm doing this for a friend. Gave me 20 bucks, but that covers the carb kit. I was pretty much doing it for free, but they wanted to give me 20 bucks and I couldn't decline it. Anyway, it needs brand new carb, major clean here. This is not good. Also, it needs screws. I thought this was broken at first, but it's just someone took out screws. I do gotta check the oil to make sure the oil is actually good. So yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah, that oil is like perfect color. Now let's just make sure it's all the way up. Yeah, it's all the way up where it should be as well. So, good. Oh, it's stuck on something. Here's the kit I ordered. It came with an air filter and this little foam pad to make the air filter last longer. It came with brand new carb. Looks pretty good. New spark plug. Bunch of gaskets, whatever this thing is, then a fuel filter. Alright, behind this cover is where the air filter is located, so I'm going to just real quick pop that off. I'll have a look. And the carb should be located right behind that. Alright, there we go. Let's take a look at this air filter. The air filter doesn't seem to be in too bad quality. Well, in too bad shape. I meant, it's fairly clean. I'm going to replace it anyway. I mean, I bought the kit. Slam that down. Now, to get to the carb, I need to take off a screw here, a screw here, screw here. I just realized I completely forgot to film everything, but I got the new carb in and the old carb out. The old carb is in pretty rough condition. Same with the gaskets. Luckily, I bought new gaskets. Oh yeah, that's seized. Right there, that is stuck. On this one, it actually, like, it moves. But, I've replaced a little O-ring, and then the gasket I'm gonna replace too. Or I put in one of these gaskets all the way at the back because it was missing one. Pretty much now I'm not even gonna bother putting this back on it for now, like air filter box or anything. Just gonna see if it starts right up like this, and then we can see if we need to adjust anything. So let's get it rolled outside. See if it runs. Alright, I got it sitting out here now, and I'm spray some starting fluid in there. Not even gonna bother putting gas in right now. Let's see if it'll go. be enough just to see. Oh yeah, it wants to. I'm gonna spray a little bit more and see what happens. It should run. But when it's not pouring down rain, I'll actually put some gas in it. What am I doing? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna find some bolts that fit up here so this thing doesn't rattle around all the time. Alright, I found some screws that fit in there. So now this thing is held in already. So now the air filter and everything's put all back in there. Let's flip it over and get the underside all cleaned up.